What is going on, guys? Marc Guberti here. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make money on Medium, even if we are not relying on the partner program. Now, for people who don't know, Medium is a site where you can write content and get paid. And the way Medium pays through its partner program is they have a bunch of members who pay $5 per month, and they pool all those earnings and distribute a portion of them to the writers. So that's how the Medium partner program works. But when it comes to the partner program, a lot of people have this misconception that the partner program is really the only way you make money on Medium. You write stuff on Medium, you hope the algorithm picks it up, and then you start to make the income that you're looking for. But there are ways to generate revenue on Medium, even if the partnership program isn't the program for you. It isn't the big money maker. And if you get more intentional with how you use your Medium articles, you can make a lot more money, even if the partner program happens to be working for you. So one of the big things that a lot of people forget about with Medium is that you are building out a work portfolio. Each article you write, it demonstrates your expertise as a writer. It demonstrates your expertise in the subject matter that you cover. And with each article, not only does it further demonstrate your expertise to other people, but you are also sharpening your skills with each article you write. So where exactly are we going with this? Well, there are a bunch of sites like Upwork where you can find different jobs and apply to them. And I've gotten a bunch of freelance writing gigs mainly around my Medium articles. So I submit the Medium articles. Those are all the samples that I submit to any potential freelance writing gig. And I've been hired multiple times to write for multiple companies because of the Medium articles. So if you think about how can you use Medium to accelerate your career, then you may not make money from the partner program, or not enough in your opinion, but if you are able to use the articles to tap into additional income opportunities, into additional side gigs, into maybe even a whole job. Like some people, they get a full-time job from the online stuff they do. It really builds your work portfolio, especially at a stage where maybe you feel like you can't build out a work portfolio. Like you got a lot of people who you go out of college and job application says you need at least 10 years of experience. Like that's just it's a catch-22 in that scenario. So you can really use the Medium as a way to build up your work portfolio. I definitely think anyone should do it because not only do you build up your work portfolio, but with the power of scaling and digging into the data, Medium can actually become a very legit platform for your business that allows you to accelerate your own growth. So it's that side hustle that can help you land a better career, but also become its full-time thing as well. So there's a lot to like with that perspective of making money on Medium. The other option is repurposing. Copy and paste Medium articles, turn that into a book. You want to add some unique and exclusive content, so it's not just all of the Medium articles, but there are so many authors who they just take their old content, copy paste, put it into a book and build around it. Why would you write the same thing twice when you already have written content on Medium? Some authors, what they do, they will create the outline for their book chapter by chapter, section by section, and say, okay, let me write the Medium articles around these areas. So I am one Medium article at a time. I also happen to be writing my book. So you can definitely turn your Medium articles into a product like a book or a paid newsletter or something like that. And speaking of newsletters, the thing you should be doing at the end of all of your Medium articles is encouraging people to subscribe to your newsletter. So similar to how I'm going to encourage you right now, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you enjoy this video. You should also encourage people to subscribe to your newsletter. Give them some freebie to incentivize them to subscribe because that always helps. But if you do that, you grow your email list. That is the one audience you truly own. It's not like an algorithm change can sink your viewership. It's not like you get banned or something like that. When you have the email list, you have full ownership of the communication process between you and the audience of people who are on that email list. These are some of the ways to make money on Medium, even if the partnership program isn't quite panning out, and they're great supplemental income, even if the partnership program is working out for you. Let me know your thoughts on Medium, what you're doing to grow on the platform. I would love to hear from you guys, and I'll see you all next time.